Are you videotaping me?
Yes, just now.
Oh.
Whoa!
I'm sad because it was a fail.
I know.
I had the feeling it was going to be. Unfortunately. My antlers are probably just flying off.
Oh yeah. Need to add the pull tab to my pull tabular necklace. Oh, that is such an awesome word.
Pull tabular.
Pull tabular necklace. Would you like to view it?
Is it on?
Yep.
Oh. Ursula. We're in front of my house. There's a guy on a motorcycle. It was?
Yeah.
I never knew that. That's unfortunate.
I hope someone got pulled over.
My street's busy.
No one ever drives on my street because it's a cul-de-sac.
My street's just like always busy. I can never play in the street like those little kids do. You know how they have like their basketball hoops in the street?
We have a basketball hoop.
That door scares me.
But we're not supposed to have one in the front yard, so my dad hides it somehow.
Why aren't you supposed to have one?
Apparently the homeowners association has something against it.
The what association?
The homeowners association.
Against the basketball hoop?
Yeah. Who knew? Who knew?
Seriously. They have a basketball hoop and they don't get yelled at.
Well, I guess you could say that's a little bit hidden, but I don't know.
People down the street have a basketball hoop. Ken and Carrie have a basketball hoop. Come on. Everyone has one, except my house and the neighbors who are unfortunately never home. I threw a pancake on the roof once and they never noticed. And a bird came down and ate it like a week later.
That's cool.
Bumblebee.
Bee.
I think your mom's gonna be lost.
Probably. Sounds like her. A car.
Ursula, it's not a car, it's a Jeep.
My mistake.
It's an unfortunate disaster.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Goodbye, everybody.